What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're in the bushes. We're going to be eating some fruits, and to many what is known as the Mammie fruit. We're going to be going down on the other side. Some of the biggest fern plants that you ever see located here in Jamaica. A few more on the other side over there. Here we have some jackfruits. Jackfruit is similar to durian. They run in the same family. A sight to see, especially when it's growing on a tree and you see how small it gets versus how big it gets. The jackfruit is definitely a must eat. Personally, I don't like it when it gets too soft. Once you leave it for a while, they get very acidic, but it's very tasty in its own sense, and it's something that you would definitely want to try out if you've never tried jackfruit.
It's a nice banana, you know.
You have at least 12 hand of banana on each side. You have another fern, and this fern maybe more than the first fern that I showed, but wow guys, like the fern, the experience of a fern, you have to be here firsthand to really know exactly what I'm talking about and experience it for yourself. It doesn't grow like a palm tree, it just grows by itself. And if you look right here, you actually see how the fern plant, it grows. It almost looks like an embryo. Like it almost looks like a baby fetus just growing, you know, and you can definitely tell right here. Look at it, you even have like a yam growing on the inside of it as well. Just hear the breeze, you hear chickens, you hear birds. The essence of nature is definitely needed. The fruit is riddled all over the ground. Thank God we didn't really have to climb the tree, but we find two Mammie. You have to take off the first layer, then the orange inside, and then there's another seed on the inside of it. So once you open it, you eat the orange side, and then you just dig in. We're going to be taking a few of the fruits. Fruits in abundance, you can't go wrong, because fruits is the way of life, and you know, this is very enjoyable. You peel away the first layer, you have the meat on the inside of it, like the fruit, and then you have the seed. So the seed is located on the inner side of the Mammie, and then you have the orange part of it that you eat, and then you peel away the layer. Don't want to get something like this in your eye. Definitely watch your step. I already collected a few of the fruits. Now, time for me to dig into one of them. Let's dig in. Very juicy. The taste is out of this world. Each bite you take, it gets more intense as you bite it. I'm very big on fruit. I'm not really a big fan of sweets, but fruit is a definite must. This is what a Mammie tree looks like. It's really elongated, and it extends going all the way to the top. Like, look at the canopy of the Mammie tree. Here we have a guava. It's very healthy. The seeds, very good. It's actually sweet. The taste is just tastes like real guava. Taste the earthiness. You can taste the organicness inside of it. And you also have fruits in abundance. You have sugarcane, jackfruit, Jamaican apples, many different type of fruits, even star apple. No, it's not the season for a star apple, so you're not gonna find them bearing on the trees this time of year until maybe closer to the ending of the year, maybe in the summertime. If you're a true fruit lover, comment and tell me what kind of fruits you love, the most common place that fruit is actually found, what part of the world you're from, and your experience eating that fruit. Jamaica is definitely a place that we want to experience, and the mountain, the way people live, the lifestyle, the fruit trees, and the culture is what many come to Jamaica for, and what they look forward to each and every time they visit. You have quite an amazing view from over here. Where I am, it's just surrounded with nature. Everywhere you look, you just see lush greenery. Everything is just where it's supposed to be. You have the cascade of mountain scenery. You have banana trees right here. You have food riddled all over in the bushes or in the lush greenery that you see right here, and ackee trees. Everyone in their element, everything in its element, nature. You just feel at peace with every single thing. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you have not clicked the notification bell, please do so, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.